Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Windy app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go above settings, you click on it. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down. So then you come here to English map labels here, click in this sign. Like you see this color, it's gone now. That's mean English map labels disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.